Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do digital coloring, and this is a tutorial on how to do it. But before we begin, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the bottom. I will also post a link to the website in the description. All right, let's get started. All right, so you'll go to coloring.com and you can choose from a featured picture that's on the screen, or once you scroll up, go to see all pictures to color. There are a lot of categories to choose from alphabets to holidays. But for this example, I'm going to choose the beach. So let's click on beach and then click on the picture to color it. And you can color online or print the picture, but today we're going to color online. And here's the creative part. You can go ahead and choose whatever colors that you see on the color palette to color your picture. If at any point you feel you've messed up on your artwork, just simply click on the Start Over button on the top left side of the screen. Okay, I am finishing up my snorkeling dog. Whenever you're done with your picture, just simply click on the Done button at the top. Feel free to share your artwork with Miss Lively and me. We would love to see it. You can take a picture of it or a screenshot, post it on our private Facebook page or in Google Classroom. Until next time, have a great day.